Hello girls, Prep 2. Our lesson today about wave nature of light. In this lesson, we will study nature of light, what's meant by light. Light is electromagnetic transverse waves, light velocity. Analysis of white light, visible light, light behavior through different media, light travels in straight lines, light in density. هنشرح الليسن ده على أكتر من بارت. أول بارت النهاردة إن شاء الله هنخلص فيه Natural of Light, Analysis of White Light and Visible Light. So, what's meant by light? Light is external factor. External factor. What's meant by light? Light is the external factor, like sun, like lamp, which affect to our eyes, causing vision. It's meaning saying something. Visible light. Visible light, it's the light which we can feel it, which we can see with it. Okay, it's visible. Electromagnetic spectrum. If we look to this picture, we will see different types of waves. Okay, like gamma ray, X-ray, ultraviolet rays, which come from the sun. It may be harmful or useful, and visible light. Infrared زي الموجودة في الليزر, microwaves and radio waves. To differentiate between different electromagnetic spectrum, we have different wavelengths or range of wavelengths. So we have wave range to gamma ray, wavelengths to X-rays, and wavelengths to ultraviolet rays, infrared rays, microwave rays, radio waves, and visible light. So, what's meant by visible light? Visible light is one of the waves present in the electromagnetic spectrum. Its wavelength ranges between 380 to 700 nanometers of wavelength. Nanometers is the unit to measuring wavelengths. Now, I'll talk about light velocity. In this picture, we have sun and earth, and the light travels from the sun to the earth. When the light travels from the sun to earth, it takes distance and take time. So, if we divided the distance over the time, we will have the velocity of light. So, what's meant by light velocity? It's the distance covered by the light in 1 second. Velocity of light equal 3 times 10 power 8 meter per second. Now, I'll talk about analysis of white light. So, our white light is consist of 7 spectrum colors. For example, like your CD under sun rays. What does it mean? If you get CD and put in source of light in your home, at your home, you will see the white light consists of 7 spectrum color. Like this picture, this is a prism, and we used to analyze the white light into 7 spectrum colors. Now, I'll talk about analysis of white color. Spectrum color are divided into 7 spectrum color. I'll start from the top. to the bottom of the prism. First, red color, orange color, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Indigo like the color of the sky. It's indigo. Now, at this prism, at the top of it, the wavelength increases and the frequency decreases. At the base of the prism, the wavelength decreases and the frequency increases. So, the relationship between frequency and wavelength of this prism is inversely. Okay, Max Planck. Who's the Max Planck? Max Planck is a German scientist who discovered the energy of light, quanta, and he said the quanta of energy equal photons. Photons energy is directly proportional to the photon frequency. What does it mean? If we look to this picture, we will see the energy of light. It consists or composed of quanta or photons, and when the photons increases, the frequency of the light increases. Now, you can answer what is meant by light? Give reason. Light waves are electromagnetic transverse waves. Number 3, complete. The white light analyzes into dots color called dots. Number 2, the energy of light waves is composed of energy quanta known as dots. Thank you. ان شاء الله حل الاسئله دي هتبعتها لي على الواتساب على الكلاس على التو كلاسز ونراجعها ان شاء الله وبكره في باذن الله بارت تاني على باقي الليسن. Thank you.